Oh, hello, guys. Um, Good day to you. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some glazing and blending of my Hyperrealism portrait painting. As you can see there, this is the painting that we're going to be working with today, and I just want to be able just to show you and just present to you and share with you some of the techniques and methodologies that I actually do with my portraits, flesh tones. And I will say this is actually one of my very few hyperrealism portraits that I have done in the past, more recent years. I have done some in the past, and I'm actually just kind of coming back into it, and I'm very happy to be doing this and just really approaching this area, field of painting, because hyperrealism portraits is incredibly fun. It's really awesome. I enjoy it. However, at the same time, it can be a very prolonged time because it does take a lot of time to do and to perfect. Glazing, blending, subtracting, adding, taking away, subtracting, adding, taking away. So excuse me. So as you can see here, what I'm doing here, and throughout the video, this is actually going to be like a 4 to 5 part video on the blending glazing aspect of this painting. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, I am just kind of getting in the nudges of like the beard and like the hair, whatnot, but more particularly for this video, and I apologize for my back being to the camera. Yeah, I will let you know that my side of me and profile of me and the back are going to be seeing a lot of, because the painting is quite large, and the way that the tripod and the camera is stationed, it's the best view for what we have. So I just got my apologies in the beginning, just so you're probably wondering why she's turning her back up. Hopefully you'll be able to see a lot what's going on, and also as we just kind of wear on with some of the videos for the sequences, the parts are coming up. I will do a lot of close-up sequences, close-up shots, just so you can know and get a really good view what's going on. So right now, like I said, for this particular series of videos, I'm focusing on the thorax, the throat, the neck, the chest area for this painting. This actually is this is a portrait painting of my husband, and for the flesh tones that as you can see here, what I'm doing right now is I mostly work with just paintings right out of the tube. In my early years as a painter artist, I used to work with a glass palette. And that was mainly in like a large art studio that I had, like when I was still in university, whatnot, or and other places where I lived. I had like large areas where I was able just to work with my canvases, my paintings. Versus now, we have a relatively large house with our kids and pets and what we have. So but the thing is that where my art studio is stationed, I call it my art galley. It's an art galley. It's not like this very big, large, square, rectangular space. So I have to work with the space that I have. So what I usually do with my pigments is I take them straight out of the tube and I place them on the canvas. And if you can see, like get a close-up, look. So I will be tapering this off right now, ending this. This is going to be the end of my part 1. Please join me over on part 2 of my next video. We're going to be getting more into some precise close-ups of the blending and the glazing process. I'll see you then. Bye. Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at painting.I.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.